Best Fingerprint Padlock. Number 1. G-Touch Outdoor Smart Padlock 3rd General. Our first pick is the most updated, coolest, and easiest to use padlock you will come across. The lock is completely frozen-proof, waterproof, and resistant to corrosion. Apart from that, accessing the padlock doesn't require you to remember any digits at all. You can use your smartwatch, smartphone, or tag fob for accessing this smart padlock. The device also passed the SALT test of 6 ASTM. This means it's ideal for outdoor usage in adverse weather. Number 2. Fingerprint Padlock, Audio Gym Lock for Locker. If you're looking for an original padlock that relies on only fingertips, this is the one for you. As the padlock doesn't use an app, it doesn't have smart applications either. But one padlock can be shared among 10 users as the device comes with a memory. The lock is perfect for a wide range of things because of its lightweight and compact design. Number 3. Fingerprint Padlock. The lock runs on a 150 mAh lithium battery and one charge gets it through 2,500 unlocks or standby time of 6 months. Charging the battery is simple as well. You can connect it to a USB for a quick or full charge. The pad remains locked when it dies. A beam of the padlock is made of stainless steel, giving it a sturdy and strong structure. It also comes with IP65 weatherproof protection, which ensures that water or dust doesn't get into the system. Number 4. BESDEAL Fingerprint Padlock, Outdoor Smart Biometric Thumbprint. This device unlocks in only 1.5 seconds, giving you easy yet safe access to your valuables. The padlock purely depends on fingerprints and it's the only key you need to rely on, and guess what? You won't even forget to bring this particular key with you. 30 people can use this padlock at the same time, which is great for shared lockers, rent bikes, cars, etc. There can be 2 admins who will give and revoke access to other users. Number 5. Senshi Intelligent Fingerprint Padlock Keyless. Opening quickly in 0.5 seconds, this padlock is perfect for busy people who don't have any seconds to waste. Thus, you need to set a fingerprint right after you have bought the device, as it'll unlock to any fingers otherwise. The shackle rotates in 360 degrees, making it ideal for any place. You can use it to lock 1 or 2 objects together. Maximum 10 people can use the lock at once. This means you can have 10 fingerprints registered in the padlock.